Let's talk a little bit about mic control. So the first thing you want to do is set it up, turn it on. So you head into setup and just tab yourself over to mic control here, and you're just going to turn it on. Now there's two ways you can use mic control. One is to use it globally, where the mic control function affects every single preset that you'll ever encounter, or you can set it up per preset. So in order to set it up globally, you just use this global mic control here and set it to whatever you'd like. These ones that say moment afterwards just mean that they're momentary. So as long as the button is held down, the effect will be active, and when you release the button, the effect will turn off. If you go to one of the ones that doesn't say moment after it, like we've got delay here just by itself, that means that when you push the button, delay will come on, and when you push the button again, delay will turn off. There's all sorts of functions in here that you can assign all the way up to bypass. So what I'm going to do is turn this off right now so I can show you how to use it within a particular preset. So we'll go home here, and we've got Kanye Lockdown here. Now you'll notice if I push the button, the mic control button, hard tune turns on and off. So that's set in the edit mode as the mic control feature. If I go into edit here, you'll see that over on mic control, it's after all of the effects. So you'll start off at micro mod here, and you'll go all the way over to mic control, and you'll see that control is turned on and that the function is hard tune. Now if I want it to be something else, for example transducer, I turn it to trans, hit home, and now you'll notice that trans is shown up here. So that's the transducer turning on and off. It will remember the state when you save the preset, so if you want the mic control effect to be on when you initially get to that preset, save it with it on. So I'm going to tap store twice here. Now if I go away from Kanye Lockdown and come back, you'll notice that transducer is on. If I turn transducer off with my mic control button and then save it again, when I come back to it, transducer is off. So transducer is probably a good example of something you might only want to have hit, during a certain part of your song. You don't want it to necessarily be there right off the bat. So you might want to set that to be off for mic control.